Welcome to Tell Me All. Today we are going to talk about the beautiful, tallest bird, Saras. Everyone loves the Saras. It is the tallest bird of the world and it belongs to Indian subcontinent and also found in parts of Australia. The Ramayana mentioned this elegant red-headed grey-bodied crane, and also the Buddha at Lumbini tried to save one. Emperor Jahangir, fascinated by their lifelong bonding, put gold rings on a Saras pair. In Gujarat, to this day, newlyweds heed the call of this graceful twosome as a blessing. Yet, every monsoon, after an eloquent courtship in the rain, more and more Saras pairs flying out in slow concentric circles to nest are finding themselves ousted from their home swamps and mangroves. Their wetlands have been seized and turned into farms or drained for house building. Flooded paddy fields are the closest wetland substitute. Poor farmers, unable to tolerate the loss of land 2.5 meter per nest, and food grains destroy nest and eggs. The maximum SARS occurs in UP Itawa and Mainpuri district, which house the world's largest crane concentration. Right now, only 20 out of 100 eggs make it a good year, says KPS Gopi Sundar, India Associate International Crane Foundation. Without wetland protection and as paddy fields are converted into dry sugarcane and soybean farm, Sundar predicts the Saras will disappear in 50 years. Sooner if mechanized farming begins. Saras bird is listed as endangered in first schedule of Indian Wildlife Act. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and keep watching Tell Me All.